Hey guys, this is Mark Steele, your real estate broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage. And today we have a quick tip for you about touring and viewing properties before you put an offer in. Now, I'm working with a client in the GTA and they recently bought a home. And they called me and said, Mark, we bought this home a couple weeks ago and we love it, but at nighttime the noise levels are so loud from the neighbors in the area and we had no idea we could expect this. And so my tip to you is when you see a property that you like and your realtor has done all the research for you, you view the property, I strongly recommend viewing this home at different times of the day throughout the week. If you can and if you have time before any other offers are going in, try to spend a half hour during the day, a half hour in the morning, and a half hour at night on random days, especially weekends, because you might find that at nighttime the neighbors are a bit loud, or maybe there's a person who loves to party just a few doors down from you and there's always cars on the street. So really understand the property neighborhood that you're getting into at different times of the day, because you never know how things could change throughout those schedules. All right, this is a quick tip. If you have any other questions about purchasing or selling property, get back to myself, Mark Steele, the broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage. We're here to help you every step of the way. And of course, find our ebook on the website as well. Talk to you soon.